एग्जाम एग्जाम कैसा गया आपका?
ठीक था।
कौन सा एग्जाम था?
अरे एनटीपीसी वाला था।
अच्छा, एनटीपीसी कौन सा वाला निकला है अभी पोस्ट?
नॉन टेक्निकल वाला निकला था ना 2 साल पहले, जिसका एग्जाम अभी करवाया है।
अच्छा। तो इसका पोस्टिंग कहाँ, बिहार में ही होगा?
नहीं तो जोन वाइज है, रेलवे का जोन जो भी है। मैंने कलकत्ता से भरा था।
ओहो, अच्छा।
तो जितने तो रेलवे जोन नहीं, रेलवे बोर्ड कहिए उसको, जोन कहना गलत होगा।
अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ वो तो जोनल के हिसाब से होता है उनका।
हाँ, रेलवे बोर्ड जो जहाँ से भरा हो।
हाँ हाँ।
तो सेकेंड शिफ्ट में एग्जाम था, 3 बजे से था, तो फिर संभव नहीं था क्लास करना। 10 बजे निकलना पड़ा।
वो तो है। मतलब सेंटर कहाँ पे था?
मुजफ्फरपुर, यहाँ से करीब 65-70 किलोमीटर के आसपास है।
बाप रे, मतलब जाते
दूर
जाते
था।
1.5 घंटा 2 घंटा लग जाएगा।
10 बजे निकल गया था, 10 सवा 10
अच्छा,
के आसपास निकल गया। उस दिन सर क्या पढ़ाए थे?
मार्जिनल
मार्केट।
प्रोडक्टिविटी थ्योरी ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन।
अच्छा, थ्योरी ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पढ़ा रहे हैं।
हाँ मतलब वो स्टार्ट हुआ था, वो यूलर्स थ्योरम का कॉप डगलस में ये हुआ था ना, प्रूव हुआ था एग्जॉर्सन थ्योरम।
अच्छा हाँ।
तो उसको सिर्फ एक्सटेंड करके जो क्लासिकल लोगों ने दिया था मार्जिनल प्रोडक्टिविटी थ्योरी, मतलब
हाँ,
एक नॉर्मल कोई प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन होगा, उसमें डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसा होगा, वही है।
जरा उसका ये भेज दीजिएगा मेरे पास तो, व्हाट्सएप।
हाँ मैं ये कर दूंगा, जो 3 पेज ही है, भेज
हाँ,
दूंगा,
व्हाट्सएप भेज दीजिए।
के भेज दूंगा।
मुझे लगा, मैंने एक और वीडियो देखा था, शायद उसमें कुछ और पढ़ा रहे थे शायद फॉर्म। हमको लगा कि मार्केट में हम लोग में घुस गए।
नहीं नहीं,
थोड़ा सा
मार्केट गए
मार्केटिंग।
नहीं है अभी। कहाँ अभी, कार्डो, वो जो कैले की कार्डो बहुत सारा बाकी है ना।
हम्म। व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दीजिएगा मेरे जरा।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। मार्सन एंड प्राइस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मार्सेलियन, वॉलरसियन, अल्टरनेटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, उसके बाद जाके मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर बाकी है, वो होगा वो फिर।
इस बार एग्जाम देना है यूपीएससी वाला?
हाँ जी।
इस बार एग्जाम देना है यूपीएससी का?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, और क्या करना है, वही देना है।
अच्छा।
अभी वो 10 को शायद फॉर्म आएगा, नोटिफिकेशन
10 फरवरी।
रिगार्डिंग। हाँ। इस बार थोड़ा जून को रखे हैं एग्जाम।
31 मई है तो 31 ऑफ
इस
मई।
बार नहीं नहीं, 27 जून को है। 27 जून को है, लेकिन इस बार मेंस के लिए बहुत कम गैप है, 2.5 महीना है।
31 में सुना था मैंने।
31 में पिछले साल था। पिछले साल का जो एग्जाम था वो 31 मई को था, लेकिन वो शिफ्ट हो गया था। इस बार कैलेंडर भी है ना यहाँ पे, एग्जाम
जून 27 जून।
हाँ
और
27
ये
जून को है।
मेंस
मेंस 17 सितंबर। 17
27
सितंबर
जून से 27 जून को प्री,
प्री।
और 17 सितंबर से मेंस।
मेंस।
तो समय कहाँ बचा? जुलाई अगस्त, मुश्किल से 80 दिन।
हाँ वही तो, 2.5 महीना ही है।
मतलब मेंस की तैयारी आपकी प्री से पहले हो जानी चाहिए।
मतलब प्री से पहले आपको अगर तैयारी करना है तो मेंस के लिए करें, और प्री के
बस
लिए
सिर्फ
आप
टेस्ट और कुछ नहीं।
टेस्ट सीरीज। हाँ
हाँ,
टेस्ट
सिर्फ
सीरीज
टेस्ट और
स्टार्ट
कुछ नहीं।
होगी, लेकिन ना।
सर आ गए।
सर आ गए। सर नमस्ते।
प्रणाम सर।
खुश रहो खुश
सर
रहो।
नमस्ते।
कैसा हुआ एग्जामिनेशन?
ठीक था सर।
कितना परसेंट बना है?
सर 100 क्वेश्चन था, तो 78 के आसपास मेरा, 77 के आस 78 के आसपास।
अच्छा, 26 को हॉलीडे है।
जी सर।
जी सर, आप व्हाट्सएप में भेजे थे
व्हाट्सएप में
मैसेज।
दिए थे आपने।
आज हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? एक तो पढ़ाए थे उसको तुम देख लोगे, अपलोड भी हो गया होगा।
हाँ
यस सर, देख लेंगे उसको।
आज हम लोग देंगे, पिछला क्लास क्या किए थे जब?
सर, मार्जिनल थ्योरी ऑफ प्रोडक्टिविटी।
हैं?
मार्जिनल थ्योरी ऑफ प्रोडक्टिव, जो मार्जिनल प्रोडक्टिविटी थ्योरी ऑफ
हाँ
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन।
वो ठीक है, वो पुष्कर जब था उस समय कौन सा क्लास हुआ
सर कॉप डगलस पूरा हुआ था हम लोग के समय।
था? प्रोडक्शन आइसो क्वांट से प्रोडक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम तो हो चुका है।
हाँ
यस सर, वो हो
प्रोडक्शन
चुका
गया
है।
था।
अभी हम लोग पढ़ेंगे मार्जिनल प्रोडक्टिविटी कर्व से प्रोडक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम।
अच्छा,
मार्जिनल प्रोडक्टिविटी, एवरेज प्रोडक्टिविटी, टोटल प्रोडक्टिविटी, लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल प्रोपोर्शन,
यस
प्रोडक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम।
यस
हेडिंग लिख लीजिए। प्रोडक्शन इक्विलिब्रियम with the help of marginal productivity average productivity and total productivity curve. Law of variable proportion. Laws of returns. ये सारा बात इसी में कवर करता है। पहले समझिए लॉज ऑफ रिटर्न्स। K is capital and K is constant. Labor is L. Labor is variable. So we will have production curve like this. Production curve like this. Production like this. Production curve like this. Suppose y-axis is output. Output. Labor. 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 Labor increases by 10%. Output increases by more than 10%. This is called law of increasing returns. This is called law of constant returns. L increases by 10%. Q increases by 10%. 10%. And this is law of diminishing returns. L increases by 10%. Q increases by less than 10%. Here, this top is this is first, this is second, this is third. First stage, second stage, third stage. This is called laws of returns or classical theory of production. So this is laws of returns. In production equilibrium, this is the basic thing of classical economics. So laws of returns is upgraded by the modern economist known as law of variable proportion. Law of variable proportion. Law of variable proportion is modern approach. Modern approach of laws of returns. So in fact, laws of returns is number one. Laws of returns is number one, and law of variable proportion will be number two. Laws of returns will be one, and laws of variable proportion will be number two. The difference that in laws of returns, law of constant return is shown, but in law of variable proportion, law of constant return is not shown. लिख लीजिए इसको.
Sir, there is a doubt.
Ask.
Sir, in law of diminishing returns graph, as labor increases, sir, the output decreases from the graph. So is it correct to say that if L increases by 10%, then Q increases
In
by
which?
10%? Sir, the law of diminishing returns graph.
Labor increases, output increases, but by less than proportion, by less than 10%.
Sir, but from the graph, Q is decreasing, no?
No, graph is increasing. Look here, this is the first line. This will be second line of production. Production increases. Production area increases.
Okay, production.
We are talking about total production. So we are talking about total production. Total production increases.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Look here. This is the area. This is the area. This is the area. Every time area increases more than labor.
Yes, sir.
In this area, same area, production increases,
yes, sir,
but by same quantity, at the same quantity of labor. Yes, but sir. What is in diminishing return? Production increases at diminishing rate. Write
Yes.
down this, not diminishing. Production increases by diminishing rate.
Yes, sir.
Write down under diminishing return, write down
Yes, sir.
production increases at diminishing rate. At diminishing rate. This is most important question which you have asked. Diminishing returns does not mean decrease in production.
Yes, sir.
Curve is downward sloping. That means marginal production is decreasing, but
Yes, sir.
total production increases at diminishing rate.
Yes, sir.
Write down total production increases at diminishing rate. Total production increases at diminishing rate. In interview, it will be asked.
Yes, sir.
Then you will explain in that way that production increases at increasing rate.
Yes, sir.
First one, total production increases at
Increasing rate.
increasing rate under
Law.
law of
Increasing returns.
increasing return. This is called law of increasing returns. Number two, total production increases at the same rate. At the same rate as labor increases. It is called law of constant cost. And third one, total production increases at diminishing rate. total production increases at diminishing rate. And output curve is concave. Output curve is concave to the origin. Total production increases at diminishing rate. Total production increases at less than increase increase in labor. So total production increases at increasing rate, constant rate, and diminishing rate. Under 3 laws of returns, is it clear, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Then we have law of variable, law of variable proportion. In this case, we will have 45-degree line. And this will be total production. Total production, TP. What is important that this is maxima. Maximum output. maximum production at point K. Then the another diagram. Two diagram, another diagram you had. Look here.
Yes, sir.
This is average production. This is marginal production. Marginal production. Now we will remove the word labor and use variable factor. Variable factor. Variable factor. Actually, variable factor is employment. Employment of variable factor. Employment will be where the production is maximum. Look here,
Yes, sir.
this is maximum production. Suppose this is Q. Output is a maximum when employment of variable factor is Q, total production is maximum. But what you have to see that marginal production is 0 at Q. And after Q, it is minus, negative. And before that, it is positive. It is falling, but it is positive. And this is called maximum. Maximum, and this is called maximum. So there are three maximum. One is maximum on total production, another is maximum on average production, and another is maximum at marginal production. What is important that at OQ employment of variable factor, total production is maximum and marginal production is 0.
0.
Marginal production marginal production is 0. 0. Marginal production is 0. Although it is shown in different diagram, but if we combine, then the same thing will happen. Maximum average product is maximum. Average product is maximum. Marginal product, average product, total product. 3 diagrams are separately drawn. Now I will draw all these 3 in one diagram to have a complete conception. Have you drawn diagram?
Yes, sir.
Look here. Our question is production equilibrium. Production equilibrium will be obtained when marginal product is 0. And total product
is maximum.
Total product is maximum. When marginal product is 0, total product is maximum. What is the role of average product? Average product is maximum. Then when average product is maximum, then there is division. There is division between increasing returns and diminishing return. When marginal product, when average product AP, when average product AP is maximum, then there is division between increasing return and diminishing return. Number 3, there is no explicit position of constant returns. but when average product is maximum, average product is maximum, then this point, this maximum point, this is maximum point, average product maximum point. This average product is maximum. It is hidden constant return point. But it is not mentioned. This is 1 and this is 2. 1 is increasing return, and 2 is diminishing return. Constant return is not written. It is a hidden maximum average cost, average production is hidden point of constant return, but it is not shown. Stage 1 Stage 1 is increasing return, and stage 2 is diminishing return. So you should be clear in your mind that average product has nothing to do but to divide increasing return and diminishing.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is the significance of 45-degree line?
45-degree line.
Yes, sir.
45-degree line shows
Constant return.
constant return.
Excellent.
Where 45-degree line is tangent to
Total production.
total product curve.
Yes, sir.
That point dividing the total product curve also into two parts, increasing return and diminishing return. And where average product is maximum. When it is tangent, at the same time average product is maximum.
Yes, sir.
Average product is maximum and there is tangency.
Yes, sir.
Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Now we have come to our point. "45-degree line we will draw. Tangent total production. देखो चाइनीज है
ये लीजिए प्याज
हाँ हाँ आलू बोलिए हाँ भेज रहे हैं नीचे look here, 45-degree line is tangent to total product curve. Now, you drop a line. Look here,
Yes, sir.
average product line is maximum. Look here,
Yes, sir.
in between two lines, there will be one line that is known as average product, marginal product curve. Marginal product will be maximum and it will cut the
Average product.
top position. It will cut the top position and it will also cut this position. Here marginal product is 0.
Yes, sir.
Total product
Is maximum.
is maximum.
Yes, sir.
This is called
Production
production
equilibrium.
production equilibrium. This is also called producer's equilibrium. Marginal product of factor must be 0. Total production of
Maximum.
factor
Is maximum.
Maximum.
maximum. Look here, this point where average product is maximum. This point where total product is maximum. And this point is where marginal product is maximum. Look here, where marginal product is maximum, just above this point, locate on total product, point F. This is change in the total production curvature. Curve is convex, now it becomes concave. Total product curve is here, this is convex downward, and after F it is convex upward. That means there is change in the curvature of total product at a point, which is known as inflection point.
Reflection.
Point of inflection. F is known as point of inflection. Q is maximum employment. Maximum employment of factor. We have studied earlier production equilibrium with the help of isoquant.
Yes, sir.
Del Q by del L, del Q by del L. But this is quite different.
Yes, sir.
Here Q is a function of x1, x2. x2 power is 0. That will constant. And x1 is variable factor.
Yes, sir.
x1 is variable factor. And x2 power 0, that is called fixed factor. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in law of variable proportion, any one of the factor can be variable.
Division will be variable and fixed. Good division. Whatever it may be, large number of factors for production,
Yes, sir.
all are remaining constant. Only one is variable, which is labor. So, in order to put anything in variable factor, it is called variable factor, an implement of variable factor. Fixed factor is fixed.
Yes, sir.
So, what will be the mathematical condition? That Q is a function of x1, x2 to the power 0. Then del Q by del x1 must be equal to 0. That is marginal product of variable factor is 0. then total product TP
Is maximum.
is maximum. This is producer's equilibrium. With the help of marginal product, average product, and total product. Producer equilibrium is maximized when del by del x1, del q by del x1, del s square q, del x1 s square less than 0. This is
Convexity rule.
second condition, second order. Second order condition,
Yes, sir.
and this is first order condition.
Yes, sir.
This is first order condition.
Condition.
So our question will be this one, that how producer's equilibrium is obtained with the help of marginal product, average product, total product, producers.
Yes, sir.
Look here, we have 45-degree line. This is total product. This is maximum total product.
Yes, sir.
Then certainly we will have this is first, this is second, and this will be third. Third will be not to be entered, that is negative. Negative return. Total product is falling. That was not explained by laws of returns.
Laws of return.
Total product is falling. That is no entry.
Yes, sir.
No entry by firm. यही आकर रुक जाएगा. This is average product, and we will have this one marginal product. This is first stage, this is second stage, this is third stage.
Yes, sir.
This is second stage. This is third stage. Clear है? Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That K point is producer's equilibrium.
Equilibrium.
Because total product is maximum. Total product is maximum. That's all.
Yes, sir.
End of the class.
Sir, namaste.